Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can type special characters and symbols on iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So for that matter, what you would do is simply gonna go ahead first access your message app. Once you have done so, simply gonna go ahead choose yourself a particular user, and then you're gonna go ahead tap on this text message box, right? Once you have tapped on it, here in this section, the first thing is simply gonna go ahead, you're gonna go ahead, let's say you want a special character, press and hold on particular alphabet, and you can see it shows you the other special characters as well. Go ahead, choose that one. So now it is different than how it was usually. And other thing is, if you want some symbols for you can simply tap on this number option given over here, and this will show this kind of other symbols. And if you tap on this upper option of including hashtag, here in the section you can find other symbols for you as well. So here, this is how you can simply choose yourself another symbols and stuff, and you go to their alphabet. This is how you can simply do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and this I will be seeing you guys in our next video.